Officer Willy,
Sir,
you are a fool.
I'm not a fool, sir.
I said you are a fool.
I am not a fool.
You are stupid.
I am not stupid, sir.
You are very stupid.
I am not stupid, sir.
I said you are very stupid.
I am not stupid, sir.
Okay. If you are not stupid, why can't you let me in?
I can't let you in. I am watching Omogesaida's video.
Dissolve! Dissolve.
Corper Willy,
Sir,
what do you usually do when you are alone and your parents are not around?
are you not going to tell my mommy?
Let's watch this video.
I used to watch Omogesaida's video.
Dissolve! Dissolve. God have mercy upon us.
Corper Willy,
Yes.
do you have any secret that you never shared with anyone? Something you don't want anybody to know?
Secret. Yes. Hope my mommy and my daddy are not going to see this video.
No. You are covered.
Okay. My mommy used to bring a man into our house.
Dissolve!
And that man happens to be the husband of that woman that my daddy used to bring to our house when my mommy is not around.
Dissolve.
Yes. That woman, where if my daddy bring that woman into our house, that woman will be shouting, "Ash, Yush, Baba Willima pa me now, Baba Willima pa me now." Shift my womb. When I now ask my daddy that, what is that woman saying? My daddy now said that he's teaching that woman how to sing. That is when I started singing, "Willima pa me now, Baba Willima pa me now." Keep my womb, keep my womb.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
Corper Willy,
Sá,
ṣé lóòótọ́ ni pé àgùnbánirọ̀ ni ẹ́?
rárá o, mi ò fún ṣàgùnbánirọ̀ o. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ orúkẹ̀ tí mo bá ń gùn lásán báyìí, tí mo bá ń gùn báyìí, mo máa ń léfò ni o. Mo máa ń léfò ni àgbà tó bá jẹ́ pé òun ló wà lókè. Ìdán yá, ìdán ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyẹn. Màá máa dùn, màá máa rọ̀. Ìrọ̀ kò tọ́ síbi. Mi ò fún ṣàgùnbánirọ̀ o. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́.
Let's watch this video so that I have some 1 or 2 things to tell you.
Oga Corper. Pardon, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, no.
Up never.
Dissolve! Dissolve.
Kasongo, yeah.
DJ Damless sound.
What they do the colosso, my brother. Hey, what about me? If they come out, they come. I just, if I like, I just come. Brother,
Let's watch this video so that I have some 1 or 2 things to tell you. Oh, no.
Corper Willy. Who carry my pot of soup? Baba, I say no be me carry your pot. Pot of soup, what I want you to do? What do you mean? Na only ram at the shop, egg no dey inside. But then as today, I go show you say I dey with you. I go dey go out of you. You want to fight me? That is an insult to a corp member. That's what I do, Abi. Say no, we talk that this one take just been here now. Abi, just been here now. You don't go school. That's why you dey why I take clothes, they do anything, they still up and down. Come here. Stand up. You want to fight me? Oh, I come now. Go. Wetin dey want me say? No, your side dey o. I'm not going to say you be àgbàlagbà. Come. Don't fight me, Dudu. Get down.
Dissolve. Kasongo, yeah.
I don't even get out of my house.